Mastering Writing Tests, Tips and Techniques to Succeed. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on test preparation techniques. In today's video, we are going to focus on one particular type of test that often gives students the jitters: writing tests. Whether it's an essay, a report, or a creative writing piece, this video will offer you a structured approach to help you ace any writing test. Let's get started. Before diving into tips and techniques, it's crucial to understand that not all writing tests are the same. You might encounter 1. Essay tests, usually in academic settings, where you need to make an argument. 2. Short answer tests. These require brief but focused responses. 3. Report writing, often in business or technical courses. 4. Creative writing, less common but sometimes found in literature classes. Knowing the type of writing test you'll face helps in targeted preparation. Time management is key in writing tests. Typically, you'll want to divide your time into 3 parts. 1. Planning. Spend 15% of your time understanding the question and planning your answer. 2. Writing. Use about 70% of your time to actually write your answer. 3. Review. Reserve the last 15% for revising and editing your work. The writing process can be daunting, but breaking it down can make it more manageable. 1. Understanding the prompt. Read the question multiple times. Look for keywords like analyze, describe, or compare. 2. Creating an outline. List down your main points. Decide on the introduction, body, and conclusion. 3. Drafting. Follow your outline. Don't worry about mistakes at this point. 4. Revising. Look for coherence, substance, and logical flow. 5. Editing. Check for grammatical errors, vocabulary, and sentence structure. 1. Answer the question. Stick to the prompt. Deviating may cost you marks. 2. Be concise. Avoid unnecessary words or sentences. 3. Use examples. Examples provide evidence for your statements. 4. Write legibly. If the test is handwritten, ensure your writing is easy to read. 5. Mind your language. Use varied vocabulary but don't go overboard. Stick to words you are comfortable with. 1. Ignoring the prompt. Make sure you answer all parts of the question. 2. Poor structure. Lack of an organized structure can make your answer hard to follow. 3. Grammar and spelling errors. These can distract from your content. 4. Not reviewing. Always keep some time for review to catch any errors or inconsistencies. And there we have it. Writing tests don't have to be your worst nightmare. With good planning, understanding of the question, and a structured approach, you can write effectively and efficiently under exam conditions. We hope these tips and strategies help you in acing your next writing test. Happy studying!